Are you ready to check out some of the coolest gadgets out there? Today we're talking about everything from the Cinebeam portable smart projector, your go-to for turning any wall into a movie screen, to the Lexar Professional Go SSD, which makes transferring files a breeze. And that's not all, we've got something for everyone in this lineup. If any of these catch your eye, I've got all the links ready for you in the description below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more amazing tech videos. Let's get started. Have you ever wanted to recreate a cinematic experience in your living room, or even on the go? The Cinebeam portable smart projector claims to bring movies, presentations, and games to life on any surface. But does it deliver on this promise? The Cinebeam portable smart projector is compact and travel-friendly, designed to turn any blank wall into a vibrant display. Offering 1080p resolution with HDR support, it produces sharp visuals and rich colors, but its brightness levels limit effectiveness in well-lit or outdoor environments. The automatic keystone correction ensures hassle-free setup, aligning the display for a clear, undistorted image. Connectivity is versatile with support for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and HDMI, but the lack of a USB-C port might inconvenience users with modern devices. Its built-in speakers are adequate for casual use, but for an immersive experience, pairing it with external speakers is a better option. The 2.5-hour battery life is sufficient for most movies but may fall short for extended presentations or gaming sessions. What do you think? Would portability and ease of use outweigh the brightness limitation for you? Share your take in the comments below. Are you tired of slow data transfers and running out of storage space? The Lexar Professional Go Portable SSD promises lightning-fast speed and ample storage. But is it the solution you've been looking for? This SSD is a powerhouse in a pocket-sized package, providing up to 1 terabyte of storage with USB 3.2 Gen 2 compatibility. It boasts impressive read and write speeds ideal for transferring large files like videos and high-resolution photos quickly. Its shock-resistant build ensures durability, making it a reliable choice for travel and professional use. However, it lacks built-in encryption, which may be a drawback for users handling sensitive files. Additionally, the absence of a USB-C cable in the box could be an inconvenience for those using modern laptops or devices. Despite these minor limitations, its combination of speed, portability, and capacity makes it an essential tool for creators and tech-savvy individuals. Would you prioritize speed and portability, or do you need additional security features in a storage device? Let us know in the comments. We've covered a projector for entertainment and an SSD for productivity. Which type of gadget excites you more, tools for fun or tools for getting work done? Let us know in the comments below. What if your keyboard could make typing a satisfying and enjoyable experience rather than just a chore? The NuFi mechanical keyboard promises precision, comfort, and style. But does it deliver on all fronts? This compact mechanical keyboard combines tactile feedback with a sleek design, offering a satisfying typing experience for gamers, writers, and professionals. It features customizable RGB lighting for personalizing your setup, and supports both Bluetooth and wired connections, making it versatile for various devices. While its smaller size saves desk space, it may take time for users to adjust, especially if you're used to a full-sized keyboard. The lack of dedicated media keys could also be a drawback for multitaskers. However, the solid build quality and responsive keys make it a standout choice for those looking to enhance their typing or gaming sessions. Do you think a mechanical keyboard is worth the investment for daily use, or is it more of a luxury? Let us know your opinion in the comments. What's the most critical feature you look for in a flashlight? Power, portability, or durability? The Rovivon A4 claims to have it all in a compact package. Let's see if it holds up. The Rovivon A4 is a titanium-bodied flashlight that combines durability with functionality. Its multiple brightness modes make it versatile for everyday use, outdoor adventures, or emergencies. The maximum brightness setting is impressive for such a small device, but its runtime at higher settings is limited, requiring frequent charging for prolonged use. The compact size makes it easy to carry, whether clipped to a keychain or stored in a pocket. However, users who need long-lasting performance might find the frequent recharges inconvenient. Overall, it's a reliable option for those prioritizing portability and build quality. Would you choose portability over longer battery life for a flashlight? Tell us in the comments below, a keyboard for work or a flashlight for practicality. Which one do you see yourself using more and why? Share your thoughts in the comments. Imagine building and programming your very own robot. Sounds fun, right? The P-Toy Biddle robot makes this possible, but is it more than just a toy? The P-Toy Biddle robot is a programmable quadrupedal robot designed for education and experimentation. Supporting multiple programming languages, it's a great tool for robotics enthusiasts to explore coding and movement mechanics. While assembling the robot can be a rewarding challenge, it may feel overwhelming for beginners. Its movement capabilities are impressive for its size, but the robot's limited battery life and occasional connectivity issues might require patience during use. Despite these drawbacks, it's a fun and educational tool for anyone interested in robotics or coding. Would you take on the challenge of building and programming a robot, or do you prefer plug-and-play gadgets? Let us know in the comments. Have you ever been on a road trip and wished you could have fresh food or cold drinks on demand? The AlpaCool portable refrigerator promises to keep things cool anywhere, but does it perform under pressure? This portable refrigerator is compact and energy efficient, offering reliable cooling for road trips, camping, or picnics. Its app-controlled temperature settings and quiet operation make it a convenient addition to your travel gear. However, its performance can falter in extremely hot conditions, and the short power cord might limit placement options. For short trips or controlled environments, it's a reliable companion, but extended use in challenging conditions might require careful planning. Do you think portable refrigeration is a travel essential, or is it overkill? Share your take in the comments. A robot to program or a portable fridge for convenience? Which would you invest in first? Let us know why in the comments below. What's the one thing that makes cooking easier for you? Precise heat control, safety, or design? The Carinier electric cooktop promises to deliver all three. The Carinier electric cooktop offers multiple heat settings for precise cooking, whether you're slow cooking a delicate dish or searing at high heat. Its sleek design fits perfectly in compact kitchens, and the touch controls are intuitive and easy to use. While the cooktop heats quickly, it lacks advanced safety features like automatic shutoff, which could be a concern for families with young children. The touch controls, though modern, may not be as durable as physical knobs over time. It's a great choice for small spaces or those looking for a stylish upgrade, but safety-conscious users may want to consider additional precautions. What's more important to you in a cooktop, speed, style, or safety? Let us know in the comments. How often do you find your car's bumper scratched or dented? The WeatherTech Bump Step claims to protect your vehicle while doubling as a handy step. Let's see how it holds up. The Bump Step is made from durable materials to protect your bumper from impacts while also functioning as a stepping platform. This makes it especially useful for accessing rooftop cargo or cleaning hard-to-reach areas. However, it's only compatible with vehicles that have hitch receivers, which limits its versatility. For vehicles that fit the requirements, it's a practical and durable accessory that enhances both protection and functionality. Do you think dual-purpose car accessories like this are worth the investment? Share your thoughts in the comments. Dropped calls and poor internet speeds on the road can be frustrating. The WeBoost Drive Signal Booster aims to keep you connected no matter where you go, but does it really help? This signal booster enhances mobile connectivity in vehicles, improving call clarity and boosting data speeds in areas with weak signals. It works best when there's at least some signal to amplify, as it cannot create a signal where none exists. Installation involves positioning an external antenna, which requires careful placement for optimal performance. While it's particularly useful for road trips or working professionals, its performance can vary based on terrain and distance from cell towers. It's a handy tool for staying connected in remote areas, but may have limitations in extremely isolated regions. Would a signal booster be a game changer for you, or do you rarely encounter connectivity issues? Tell us in the comments. So, which gadget caught your attention the most? Was it the NuFi mechanical keyboard for that satisfying typing experience, or maybe the Rovivon A4 flashlight for its compact power? Let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget, all the links to these gadgets are in the description if you want to check them out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more awesome tech finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.